sort of committed, and we have promised our GME that each of the councillors would help or and cooperate with the technical section, with the entire sanitation team, to work out a kind of whatever data analysis they want or whatever help they want. We are there to help, but let us put a system into place. And we've also talked about the dark spots which are there around the city, how we can tackle that. So it will probably take maybe a month's time to do this, but the segregation will happen in all 25 wards of Madgaon, of municipal jurisdiction. It will not be restricted to just few wards. It is going to be a complete, kind of solution. And we are also trying to find a solution whereby we could do segregation at source. Right now what is happening is, even though it's happening in 1 to 7 wards, it is not happening at source. We are doing it. So I think we also need to optimize the services of the laborers that we have, of the machinery that we have. So I think in view of this, fine-tuning will be done later on. Ma'am has also instructed our engineer what to do. We are also now trying to get, they have already told us, they have sent us a letter saying that we need to have a solid waste management SBM coordinator, who is most likely to be a diploma in engineering. That's the basic qualification. So we will also have a walk-in interview for him. So he becomes like a contact point and tries to coordinate the entire activity.
A more serious concern, as Chairperson has rightly said, that the state government will provide all support and assistance to the Madgaon Municipal Council to ensure 100% segregated collection of waste in all the 25 wards. Right now it is being practiced in 7 wards, which will soon be extended to all the wards. So in this, the role of the councillors will be very important. We have also told the technical wing that each ward will be allocated the specific number of workers based on the number of households, the number of commercial units. So there will be a proportion which will be worked out. Our own team from the State Mission Management Unit of SBM will be providing hand-holding support to determine what is the number of staff required, number of vehicles required, and number of receptacles that are required. Dust bins, polythene bags, woven bags, whatever is the requirement that will be ascertained. We are giving it a day of about a week's time to come to the conclusion on what will be the requirement, and whatever out of these can be provided under the Swachh Bharat mission, that is the receptacles like dustbins and polythene bags can be given actually, that is the collection bags, that we will be providing, and each household will be identified with the worker, that is the worker who will go to collect from each household will have to be demarcated, which we will be also assisting, which will now lead us to a situation that if we get mixed waste, we will know exactly from which zone or from which ward that mixed waste is coming, so that we can handle it better.